The world of aquatic giants is filled with extraordinary species that amaze us with their immense size and power. On rare occasions, fishermen manage to capture these colossal creatures, and when they do, the whole world takes notice. With that in mind, here are 20 of the largest sea creatures ever caught. Number 20. Beluga sturgeon. The beluga sturgeon stands out not only as one of the largest fish in the world, but also as the source of the world's most expensive caviar. Native to the Caspian and Black Seas, these ancient giants can reach lengths of over 20 feet and weigh more than 2,000 pounds. The beluga sturgeon is known for its slow growth, taking up to 20 years to mature. It is during this maturation that females produce their famous roe, which is harvested as caviar. Sadly, the high value of beluga caviar has led to overfishing and a severe decline in the population. Damming of rivers, pollution, and loss of spawning habitats have further exacerbated the problem. Conservation efforts, including fishing restrictions and hatchery programs, are essential to save the beluga sturgeon from extinction. Some countries have introduced successful breeding programs and legal protections to restore and sustain their populations. Understanding the beluga sturgeon is more than appreciating a luxury food product. It's about recognizing the ecological importance and unique biology of an ancient species that has survived millions of years. Efforts to preserve and sustainably manage the beluga sturgeon reflect a broader commitment to protecting our natural heritage. Number 19. Atlantic blue marlin. The Atlantic blue marlin, Machaira nigricans, is one of the ocean's most captivating creatures. Characterized by its striking blue color, long spear-like snout, and enormous size, it's a highly prized catch among sport fishermen. Males are generally smaller, while females can grow up to 14 feet long and weigh over 1,900 pounds. These incredible fish inhabit the surface and subsurface waters of the Atlantic Ocean, often found near the Gulf Stream where food is abundant. Their diet primarily consists of various fish and cephalopods such as squids. They use their long, sharp bills to stun or kill prey before eating it. Their speed and agility, coupled with this unique hunting mechanism, make them highly effective predators. Atlantic blue marlin are known for their incredible strength and endurance, often leaping out of the water when hooked. This display of power and beauty has contributed to their fame but also to their vulnerability. Overfishing and accidental catch in commercial fishing gear pose serious threats to the Atlantic blue marlin's survival. Conservation efforts, including strict regulations on size and fishing seasons, are crucial for preserving this majestic species. The Atlantic blue marlin is more than just an emblem of sport fishing. It's an integral part of the marine ecosystem. Continued research and sustainable practices are vital to understanding and protecting this incredible species. Number 18. Basking shark. The basking shark, Cedarinis maximus, is the second largest fish in the world, following closely behind the whale shark. Its name derives from its feeding behavior, often seen basking at the ocean's surface as it filters zooplankton, small fish, and invertebrates through its enormous, gaping mouth. Unlike the aggressive appearance of many sharks, the basking shark is slow-moving and generally harmless to humans. Can reach lengths of up to 40 feet and weigh as much as 21 tons. The feeding mechanism of the basking shark is a marvel of nature. As it swims with its mouth wide open, plankton-rich water flows in, passing through specialized gill rakers that filter out the nourishment. Though commonly found in temperate oceans, the basking shark's migratory patterns are still not fully understood. They tend to appear in coastal areas during spring and summer, disappearing in winter, possibly into deeper waters. The basking shark is often hunted for its liver oil, meat, and fins, leading to significant population declines. Many countries have now implemented protective measures to prevent overfishing. Number 17. Tiger shark. The tiger shark, Galiocerdo cuvier, earns its name from the dark stripes found mainly on juveniles, resembling a tiger's pattern. As one of the largest shark species, it can grow up to 18 feet and weigh over 2,000 pounds. Tiger sharks are known for their diverse diet, including fish, seals, birds, squids, and even other sharks. They possess sharp, serrated teeth that allow them to crack the shells of sea turtles, one of their preferred prey. Found mainly in tropical and subtropical waters, tiger sharks are often considered dangerous to humans. Their curiosity and tendency to sample-bite objects make them one of the shark species more likely to bite humans, though fatalities are rare. One fascinating aspect of the tiger shark is its ability to detect electromagnetic fields emitted by prey. This sense is particularly useful in hunting at night or in murky waters. Conservation of tiger sharks is essential. They are often caught accidentally in fishing nets and targeted for their fins and liver oil. Initiatives to reduce bycatch and implement protections are vital for sustaining their populations. The tiger shark's role as a top predator helps regulate prey species and maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Respect for this incredible predator and efforts towards its conservation can ensure that it continues to play its critical role in the ocean's ecology. Number 16. Giant oceanic manta ray. The giant oceanic manta ray, Mobula birostris, is not a shark but still ranks among the largest fish in the world. With a wingspan reaching up to 29 feet, it glides through the water with grace and elegance. Unlike sharks, manta rays are filter feeders, feasting on zooplankton. They swim with their enormous pectoral fins outstretched, funneling water through specialized gill plates to capture their tiny prey. Giant manta rays are often found in tropical and subtropical waters near coral reefs, seamounts, and coastal upwelling areas where plankton is abundant. Their unique body structure, including cephalic fins near the mouth, aids in directing water as they feed. These fins are often mistaken for horns, leading to the nickname devil ray. Unfortunately, manta rays are threatened by overfishing, targeted for their gill plates used in traditional medicines. Fishing nets and plastic pollution also pose risks. The gentle nature of manta rays has made them a favorite among divers and snorkelers, creating a growing ecotourism interest. This attention has helped drive conservation efforts, leading to protective measures in several countries. Now it's time for today's topic. Fishermen in a small coastal village of Indonesia pulled up their nets expecting a routine haul, only to find themselves face-to-face with a sea creature no one could immediately identify. Tangled in the ropes was a massive, elongated fish with a body length stretching across the deck, its skin dark and leathery with a metallic sheen. The long, pointed snout and enormous eye sockets gave it a prehistoric appearance, unlike any of the common swordfish or marlin usually caught in these waters. The unusual catch quickly drew a crowd as locals gathered around, taking photos and videos that spread across social media within hours. Some marine experts suggested it could be an oarfish, a deep-sea species rarely seen near the surface, but others noted that the proportions didn't match known specimens. Its girth and unique coloring set it apart, fueling speculation that it might be an undiscovered deep ocean predator. Rumors spread rapidly. Some believed the creature was a mutant caused by pollution or seismic activity, while others claimed it was simply a juvenile of a rarely observed species. Whatever the explanation, the fishermen admitted they were terrified when they first saw it thrashing in their nets. For them, this catch was less a prize and more a reminder that the ocean still holds mysteries humans are barely beginning to understand. Number 15. Sharptail mola. The sharptail mola, monstrous lanceolatus, is a fascinating and somewhat enigmatic fish, often overshadowed by its more famous relative, the ocean sunfish. With a truncated, angular body, this unique fish can grow up to 11 feet in length and weigh as much as 1,000 pounds. Distributed widely throughout tropical and temperate seas, the sharptail mola inhabits both the ocean's surface and deeper waters. Primarily feeds on jellyfish, zooplankton, and small fish. One of the most intriguing aspects of the sharptail mola is its reproductive capability. Females can produce an astonishing 300 million eggs at a time, more than any other known vertebrate. Despite its widespread distribution, the sharptail mola is not well understood. Its odd appearance and elusive nature have made it a subject of curiosity and ongoing research. Commercial fishing does not typically target the sharptail mola, but it is sometimes caught as bycatch. The species' conservation status is generally considered of least concern, but more research is needed to fully understand its population dynamics and ecological role. The sharptail mola represents the wonderful diversity and complexity of marine life. Its unique appearance, behavior, and biology contribute to our understanding of ocean ecosystems and the countless forms of life that call the sea their home. Efforts to study and appreciate this distinct fish help foster a greater connection to the wonders of our marine environment. Number 14. Arapaima gigas. The Arapaima gigas, commonly known as the Arapaima or pirarucu, is one of the largest fish in the Amazon River basin. Can grow up to 15 feet long and weigh more than 485 pounds. What sets the Arapaima apart is its remarkable ability to breathe air. It possesses a specialized respiratory system that allows it to gulp air at the surface, making it well adapted to oxygen-poor waters. Arapaima primarily feeds on fish but has been known to consume small mammals and birds. Its large, bony scales and streamlined body make it an efficient predator. Sadly, the Arapaima's size and unique characteristics have made it a target for overfishing. Its population has dwindled in many areas, leading to concerns about its sustainability. Conservation initiatives, including community-based management and sustainable fishing practices, have been implemented to protect this magnificent creature. The Arapaima gigas is a testament to the Amazon's biodiversity and the intricate balance of life within its waters. Its survival depends on our understanding, respect, and commitment to preserving one of the world's most extraordinary ecosystems. Number 13. Paddlefish. The paddlefish, belonging to the family Polyodontidae, is a fascinating freshwater fish easily recognizable by its elongated, spatula-like snout, or rostrum. This unique appendage is not used for feeding but is filled with sensory receptors that detect electrical signals from plankton, its primary diet. There are two recognized species of paddlefish: the American paddlefish, Polyodon spathula, found in the Mississippi River Basin, and the possibly extinct Chinese paddlefish, Zephyrus gladius, native to the Yangtze River in China. The American paddlefish can grow up to 7 feet long and weigh over 200 pounds, while the Chinese paddlefish was even larger, potentially reaching lengths of 23 feet. Paddlefish are filter feeders, swimming with their large mouths open to collect zooplankton. They possess unique gill rakers that act as a filter, allowing them to sift plankton from the water efficiently. Sadly, paddlefish populations are under significant pressure. The American paddlefish has faced habitat destruction, damming of rivers, pollution, and overfishing, particularly for its roe, which is considered a delicacy. These factors have led to a decline in numbers and increased conservation concerns. The Chinese paddlefish's story is more tragic, as it has not been sighted for several years and might be extinct. Dam construction, overfishing, and habitat loss are considered to have been the primary contributors to its disappearance. Efforts to conserve and protect the remaining paddlefish population include legal protection, fishing regulations, and restocking programs. Research and education are also essential to understanding the ecological role of these unique fish and the actions needed to preserve them. Number 12. Giant grouper. The giant grouper, Epinephelus lanceolatus, also known as the Queensland grouper, is a remarkable fish that holds the title of the largest reef-dwelling bony fish in the world. With its broad body and stout appearance, this giant can grow up to 8.9 feet in length and weigh an astonishing 880 pounds. Found in the Indo-Pacific region, including the coasts of Australia and the Red Sea, the giant grouper inhabits both shallow reefs and deep coastal waters. Its varied diet consists mainly of other fish, crustaceans, and occasionally juvenile sea turtles. Despite its intimidating size, the giant grouper is known for its relatively mild temperament. Divers and underwater photographers often seek it out for its impressive appearance and curious nature. Unfortunately, the giant grouper's size and slow growth rate have made it a target for overfishing. Its population has declined significantly in many regions, leading to its classification as vulnerable by the IUCN. Conservation measures, such as fishing restrictions and marine protected areas, have been implemented in some regions to protect this iconic species. Sustainable management practices are crucial for its survival, as well as for the health of the reef ecosystems it inhabits. Number 11. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark, belonging to the family Sphyrnidae, is easily identified by its distinctive flattened head shape, which resembles a hammer. This unique head structure, known as a cephalofoil, serves various purposes, including improved maneuverability and enhanced sensory perception. There are 9 known species of hammerhead sharks, ranging in size from around 3 feet to over 20 feet in the case of the great hammerhead, Sphyrna mocarin. These predators are found in tropical and warm temperate waters around the world. The unusual shape of their heads allows them to scan the ocean floor more effectively for prey, such as fish, crabs, squids, and even other sharks. The widely spaced eyes provide better stereoscopic vision, enhancing depth perception. Hammerhead sharks are known for their fascinating social behavior, often seen swimming in schools during the day. Unlike most other shark species, this schooling behavior presents an intriguing aspect of their social interactions. Conservation-wise, several hammerhead species are under threat due to overfishing, both for their meat and their valuable fins. Protection measures, including fishing regulations and the creation of marine reserves, are crucial for their survival. The hammerhead shark's unique appearance and behaviors make it an essential subject for scientific research and conservation efforts. Understanding these majestic creatures contributes to broader marine ecosystem knowledge and preservation. Number 10. King of herrings. Giant oarfish. The giant oarfish, Regalicus glesson, also known as the king of herrings, is the longest bony fish in the world, with recorded lengths of over 36 feet. Its slender, serpentine body and striking appearance have led to numerous myths and legends. Inhabiting depths of up to 3,300 feet, the giant oarfish is a rare sight. It typically remains in deep, dark ocean realms but occasionally comes to the surface, often after storms or when distressed. Despite its enormous size, the giant oarfish feeds on small organisms like zooplankton and shrimp. Its jaws are adapted to suck in prey, and its long body is filled with a gelatinous substance, aiding in buoyancy. The giant oarfish's biology and behavior remain largely a mystery due to its elusive nature. Occasional sightings and strandings provide valuable but limited insights into this unique species. With its otherworldly appearance and enigmatic habits, the giant oarfish captivates the imagination and symbolizes the unexplored depths of the ocean. Its existence reminds us of the vast unknown that awaits discovery and the rich diversity of life hidden beneath the sea's surface. Number 9. Great white shark. The great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, one of the most well-known shark species, has captured human imagination and fear like few other creatures. It's renowned for its size, with some individuals reaching over 20 feet in length and weighing more than 5,000 pounds. Unlike the filter feeders like the whale shark and basking shark, the great white is a fearsome predator. It hunts seals, sea lions, and even small dolphins, employing a unique technique of attacking from below with incredible speed and power. The great white's jaw is lined with up to 300 serrated, triangular teeth arranged in multiple rows. With one bite, it can exert a force of over 4,000 pounds per square inch. Although widely portrayed as a human threat, unprovoked attacks on humans are rare. Most interactions are cases of mistaken identity, where the shark confuses a swimmer or surfer for its natural prey. The great white shark inhabits coastal waters in many parts of the world, often patrolling the seal colonies that provide its main food source. Despite its fearsome reputation, the great white shark is vital to maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control the populations of other marine organisms. Number 8. Pacific bluefin tuna. The Pacific bluefin tuna, Thunus orientalis, is an astonishing fish known for its size, speed, and beauty. Capable of growing over 9 feet long and weighing up to 990 pounds, it's one of the largest and most sought-after tuna species, renowned for its delicious taste and high market value, especially in sushi and sashimi dishes. Pacific bluefin tuna is heavily fished. This demand has led to severe overfishing, resulting in a significant decrease in its population. These incredible swimmers can travel vast distances across the Pacific Ocean, migrating between their spawning and feeding grounds. They are capable of incredible bursts of speed, reaching up to 25 miles per hour. Pacific bluefin tuna play a vital role in marine ecosystems as both predator and prey. Their decline has far-reaching consequences for the balance and health of the ocean's food web. Conservation efforts for Pacific bluefin tuna include quotas, size limits, and closed fishing seasons to allow the population to recover. International cooperation and adherence to these regulations are vital to the species' future survival. Number 7. Giant catfish. The Mekong giant catfish, Pangasianodon gigas, is one of the world's largest freshwater fish, known to reach an incredible 9 feet in length and weigh over 600 pounds. This colossal fish is native to the Mekong River in Southeast Asia, an ecosystem that nurtures an array of unique species. Unlike many catfish, the Mekong giant catfish lacks teeth and instead filter feeds on algae and plankton. Its broad, gray to white body and lack of barbels, whiskers, give it a distinctive appearance. Unfortunately, the giant catfish is currently classified as critically endangered. Overfishing, habitat loss, and dam construction have significantly reduced its population. Conservation efforts, including breeding programs and fishing regulations, are vital to its survival. The Mekong giant catfish is more than just a remarkable specimen of nature's capabilities. It's an essential part of its river ecosystem and a symbol of the challenges that many freshwater species face in today's world. Number 6. Oarfish. The oarfish, Regalicus glesn, is a truly enigmatic creature of the deep. Known as the king of herrings, it's the world's longest bony fish, with recorded lengths exceeding 36 feet. Oarfish inhabit deep ocean waters, usually between 650 and 3,300 feet, but they occasionally come to the surface, especially when injured or dying. Their long, slender bodies, bright silver color, and ornate red fins give them an almost mythical appearance. Despite their massive size, oarfish feed on tiny organisms like zooplankton, shrimp, and small fish. Their diet and unique physical features have led scientists to categorize them as passive drift feeders. Oarfish are rarely seen, and much of what is known about them comes from specimens that have washed ashore. They have been the subject of folklore and myths, often mistaken for sea serpents or mythical creatures. Due to their deep-sea habitat, oarfish are not typically targeted by commercial fisheries, and there are currently no known significant threats to their population. However, their elusive nature makes studying and understanding their behavior, reproduction, and role in the ecosystem a challenge. Number 5. Hoodwinker sunfish. The hoodwinker sunfish, Molotecta, is a recently discovered member of the sunfish family and lives up to its name with elusive and mysterious characteristics. Unlike its close relatives, the hoodwinker sunfish lacks a lumpy, protruding snout and has a more sleek, flattened body. This impressive creature can reach lengths of up to 8 feet and weigh over 2,000 pounds. It inhabits the cold waters of the southern hemisphere, particularly around New Zealand, Australia, and South Africa. The hoodwinker sunfish feeds primarily on jellyfish and other gelatinous prey. Its unique body structure, including a specialized beak-like structure for crushing its food, is well adapted to this specific diet. Despite its massive size, the hoodwinker sunfish remains a mysterious figure in marine biology. Little is known about its reproduction, migration, or role within its ecosystem. The discovery and ongoing study of the hoodwinker sunfish underscore the rich, unexplored diversity of marine life. This unique species challenges our understanding of biological classification and encourages continued exploration of our oceans. Number 4. Opah moonfish. The opah, Lamprus guttatus, also known as the moonfish, is an extraordinary creature known for its beautiful silvery red body and large, round shape. It inhabits deep temperate and tropical oceans worldwide. What sets the opah apart is its ability to thermoregulate, warming its blood through specially adapted muscles near its gills. This rare ability allows the opah to be a highly active predator, feeding on squid and various fish species. Growing up to 6 feet in length and weighing up to 600 pounds, the opah's unique physical characteristics are not only visually striking but functionally remarkable. Its large pectoral muscles provide powerful propulsion, while its vivid coloration may play a role in mating or predation. The opah is not generally targeted by commercial fisheries, but it is occasionally caught as bycatch. Its meat is considered a delicacy in some cultures, further enhancing its mystique. The opah's combination of beauty, unique physiology, and ecological role contributes to our growing understanding of marine diversity and adaptation. Its existence is a testament to the complexity of life in the oceans and a reminder of the wonders yet to be discovered beneath the waves. Number 3. Swordfish. The swordfish, Xiphias gladius, is an iconic ocean predator known for its distinctive elongated bill, resembling a sword. This unique adaptation is not just for show. The swordfish uses its sword to slash at and stun prey, including various fish and cephalopods. Capable of reaching lengths of up to 15 feet and weights over 1,400 pounds, the swordfish is a powerful swimmer. Its streamlined body and strong, crescent-shaped tail allow it to reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. These bursts of speed are crucial during hunts, as swordfish often strike schools of squid or mackerel with lightning-fast swipes of their bill, leaving prey injured and easier to consume. Some fishermen have reported swordfish ramming boats or even piercing wooden hulls with their sharp bills, a testament to both their strength and unpredictable nature. Remarkably, their large eyes are specially adapted to see in low-light conditions, giving them an advantage when hunting in deeper, darker waters. Swordfish are also known to dive to depths of 2,000 feet, tolerating extreme pressure changes with ease. In some coastal cultures, stories of swordfish hunting whales or challenging sharks have elevated them into symbols of bravery and ferocity. Ancient Mediterranean civilizations even depicted swordfish in art, recognizing their iconic form and the respect they commanded in the sea. Swordfish inhabit tropical and temperate oceans worldwide, often venturing into colder waters during seasonal migrations. They are primarily solitary hunters, relying on their agility and keen eyesight to capture prey. Overfishing has become a concern for swordfish populations, especially in areas where they are heavily targeted by commercial fisheries. Conservation measures, including quotas and size restrictions, are essential to ensuring sustainable swordfish populations. The swordfish's combination of strength, beauty, and unique adaptations make it a symbol of the ocean's majesty. Its continued existence depends on responsible fishing practices and a deeper understanding of its role within the marine ecosystem. Number 2. Greenland shark. The Greenland shark, Somniosus microcephalus, is one of the most mysterious and extraordinary creatures of the deep. Inhabiting the cold, dark waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Ocean, this shark can grow up to 24 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds. What makes the Greenland shark particularly fascinating is its longevity. Recent studies have shown that these sharks can live for more than 400 years, making them the longest-lived vertebrates known to science. Legends from Inuit communities describe them as ghostly presences beneath the ice, believed to carry the souls of wayward sailors. In fact, their cloudy, parasite-infested eyes give them a haunting appearance that has fueled these myths for centuries. Because they move at an incredibly slow pace, averaging less than 1 mile per hour, some scientists believe they rely on ambush tactics rather than active pursuit to catch prey. Remarkably, they've been found with entire reindeer and even pieces of polar bears in their stomachs, showing just how opportunistic they can be. Tagging studies in recent years have revealed that some Greenland sharks undertake long, silent migrations across the Arctic, moving between fjords and open sea without any obvious seasonal pattern. Their mysterious ways only deepen the fascination surrounding them, as each discovery seems to raise more questions than answers. Their diet consists of a wide variety of fish, seals, and other sharks. Interestingly, The Greenland shark's flesh is toxic to humans due to high concentrations of trimethylamine oxide, a natural antifreeze that allows them to survive in freezing waters. Despite their size and predatory nature, Greenland sharks are not considered a threat to humans. Their slow movement and deep-water habitat keep them largely out of human reach. Little is known about their reproductive habits, migratory patterns, or social behaviors, making them a subject of ongoing scientific interest and research. Unfortunately, the Greenland shark faces threats from bycatch in commercial fishing and potential impacts of climate change on its cold water habitat. Number 1. Whale shark. The whale shark, Rhynchodon typus, is not only the largest shark but also the largest fish in the world, capable of reaching lengths of 40 feet or more. Despite its massive size, the whale shark is known as a gentle giant. It's a slow-moving filter feeder that consumes vast amounts of plankton, tiny fish, and other microscopic organisms by filtering water through its enormous mouth. In some coastal communities, whale shark arrivals mark the beginning of seasonal fishing festivals, where locals celebrate their presence as a sign of ocean abundance. Divers who have encountered them often describe the experience as swimming beside a moving island, their wide backs casting shadows over the sea floor. Many whale sharks bear scars from collisions with boats or entanglements in fishing gear, reminders of the dangers they face despite their docile nature. Tagging studies have revealed their astonishing migratory patterns, with individuals traveling thousands of miles across oceans in search of food. These journeys make them ambassadors of marine connectivity, linking ecosystems across continents. With its beautiful pattern of white spots and stripes on a bluish-gray body, the whale shark skin can be up to 6 inches thick. The skin is tough and feels like sandpaper due to tiny tooth-like structures called dermal denticles. Unlike many other shark species, the whale shark doesn't pose a significant threat to humans. Its large mouth, which can span up to 4 feet wide, contains no sharp teeth. Instead, it relies on over 300 rows of tiny, specialized teeth and strong filter pads to consume its microscopic prey. Whale sharks inhabit the warm tropical oceans and are often found near the coast where they come to feed. Although they generally prefer surface waters, they can dive to depths of 6,000 feet. Remarkably, little is known about the reproductive behavior of whale sharks. Females give birth to live young, which are around 2 feet long at birth. The whale shark's lifespan is also something of a mystery, with estimates ranging from 70 to 100 years. Did you enjoy this video? Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.